Lodero meke kwar mo mati Muchwini East Sub-County mati Kitgum District diga yope me wiro ruot manyen ninge mwaka 100 mako bedo ke labon ruot ke kwar mameki wabiyar botin report man kijemo ken mapol moti me pinti ne yub me loga nge mo chwiny ania Sunday akamo.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Lodero meke kwaro okol otke me lopor lolim mati I Muchwini East Sub-County gidika yope me wiro ruot manyen man ruot mameki nge mwaka 100 la pilda Jude Ogik.
Mati machalo Crown Prince ma obe crowning hen ninda pawi ariyo meduma pawi ariyo.
Kadong lumon magotur gamente Guinea Bissau guchekne mon gamente manyeni obokelo alagalaga ne wokilweni kum chamchana kidong tikyer machek paye matima pol kadong president gimachon Omar Sissoko Karman Orio ti Congo Brazzaville. Amore tende ndu achel midima pawi ariyo imwaka alibra pirwa beach obenianwa lobo diar melweni kom kwidu to jangi jem ken mapol madiu ko padano malupe en kicho donyo ebilobo kulum aloga ngemo chunwa bichako tini Kitgum District kama ruot malotela meke ko arma kilone mono kol otke mati loporo limkal mati I Muchwini East Sub-County Kitgum District gitika yope me wiro ruot manyene nge mwaka 100 make ko arma no bilabon ruot moke ken dokyup mano time enelwe apawya beach midima apawya rio emwagani enim gin nando diero makar piro bit ko bero pingiti kon kayume wiro ruot manye man la pilda Jude Ogik mana piro bit odek bo ber ruot manyen man ruot meke okol chimo gik me dogo ruot bino kone nge kom ke okol dong non la botela me gipi makar 100 enge mono biri tich mako wogo ruot okol machon ruot owiro lukwera moe agochwale eni gang buch mati Kitgum District ni ay Carmen yotin put pia ko berge ruot meken nok yupti me loko dong tekwar meno enelwe apaw ya beach me dwe matika bino enim wanen kong report man kibola church pawan luo television Christopher Nyeo en ke report mo lil ke Kitgum District man I Muchwini East Sub-County.
Kumbedi iganke Mikal Kwaru Kol Mate Nicole I Muchwini East Sub-County Kitgum District Yube Meket Road Jude Ogik Mate Kimwaga Pierre Bidwedek Tie Irom Mamalo Wan Luo Television Tino Beri Gankalme Ke Kwaru Kol Kama Yube Tie Kawaranyim Mabe Diekal Tie Maki Leo Mabe Od Maki Biwere Yer Wadong Kumbedi Choktum Juge mijami mogo ma kwako wiro ruot chalo tong komber paruot la kwach kijami mogo dong tiatera dul pagamente maneno lokom kubu maje link twitch benedo chwalo transformer ganke mekonyo kubu mach wako rom ganke pekonyo wele magengu bibino mapol yobman mapira teke Rogers Ulanya Ulila ente jan ruot me ukol Tero ket mayoptie kawot kwere.
Jude Ogik mati machalo Crown Prince ma obe crowning hen ninda pawi ariyo meduma pawi ariyo mwagaliba ariyo kipi ariyo ya beach. Ke neno wano ni jami mapira tek mite ilok me yop me wiro ruot. Machalo compound mirobetie malaj ka compound tie malaj ngoma mite ye pi mirobetie. So Ministry of National Water and Sewage Corporation Giobino extending P Botwa ma permanent sector any combedi line kiton weng P ubeberuti available iganke mano ni no mayopti no watigi P moramo wek pe wabet ki shortage me P wano ni pere attack match mirbetie chi kay nano from background combedi Ministry of Energy dio chwale wa team wa jolo gi la umacha gudonyo gitie ground makombe rinano gitiga chiwo pole meketo transformer mero bedo i gang ke kan gi kome so transformer eroni obe konyo wa mekupu maji
Iniano dwe apawi ang'wen me dwe me abich mwagaman ludiro medo kaka piera riwe abich me ukol guchimo Jude Ogik ma aki kaka lupodo lulimkal ma ena ye otke pa ukol medo ruor ukol chimano bino malupe ki kom metela me ruot mauno do dong nono pe mwaga makar 100 kulo Jude Ogik kikwero kinoni en aki dog otke me ukol maruori mapol me ukol yamo beru ka aki ye Jokol wigi po ikom ruot megi mete kwaro chalo ruot loliga ma uyek kilok me yubukot ruora wira ruor lal ruot keo kala chen owero lukwera moi ma opoga lakle belendino lukwe ki justo otiang obero ki ngegi kare ka bedni okolo obero ki ruori meke ento e karma munu britijo bino ki wajo ni munu mako ruot megi ruot owero lukwero moi otero wa igang mingi kitgum pien eno kwero miyo mudugo ma eno beru kalokune kilak liech kibot jo chudan dogono degnia jo kolpe gucheri tich luroni ruot lukwero moi kiwajo ni otoi buch ikitgum kituo odie dokwa kombeti piyagino Williel mere Inge mako wero lukwera moi kiwajo ni muno okero nono mauno ngeo le muno pieno kwano wa isoke chodan odogo machalo ruot kalam ma ena yeo beru katik kimuno peluor muno kiwajo ni jo kolo beru ka keto ruori mogo ento nyingi peo beru ka yuek pien geno beru katij laping peluoro loja chonya pamuno Wiro gigdong gikerotie niano dwe apawi ario medwe me apawi ario e mwagaman Ogik luon luak dujo me bino kamoko chaden e yobman ma pera tek maki bi wiro en Iloke kiwan luo television wotke Ogik wajani tij mer obikeme kikelo kuch e kendano kiripo jokol oberachel
Ana ne ka mabe ana ye ruate ki jo mokene ni mabene yup tieme ruate keki kiena manake chen de kenya ruate keki ya kwanen na matieni ni ko worka chen endo ko dano intima be yup tima be ka ngat mo ti ka wajini gwa yup dong pe geo ade what la we ready ko geo yup mai kan wajmeni be ten pero ruate be tela kirip dano ka dano mo ti ma ko kirip obi Ana kan na okay mi actually wala gi yelo ge ruori kalam yo mai ruori kalam yo yang gi magani yelo ruori ma an tie pidano wen ma fin dano kerba yu kere dano ya ga ya katami pe gi mai kat gi di mon wachi ni kai tero diang dok pi kamar pi pirawri no mat pi kwar mar pi tie jama
Kereka bedni dong wiro gik neno neo dich ento jo magen aki dog ot me ikorom ma ot matela me ruot kalam tie ye gen wajne umier pe gi wiyo gik ento jo kol umier mede kitich pe ruot Joseph Larem matie ruot kalam ruot Larem ma ena ye wajni ya kwarone nono ye uberu ruot onyoro chwenye
no bena wache wi man ma joni ti atime kane ki wi eno gi ke tugi ko kono gi wiro kwene no bedo gwag mek tugi charo tie
Mego Rebecca dana chiel matie iteke me okol beno lego juru gik me dok bolu diro me tieto kid matich me ke okol beberu kwede weg luak mere gubet ki geni kome
Ano no ana tika neno nene kano gen winyo lok ma wan jo madong chalo wan ki medo chan yen wan yo kon kanyen wan ay mo dong ma mo ka tuwa ne ki lok to no gen neno en jut neno no mier pe uti o ke lok bo me wi ko yen ka chik mayam ma chon chan ka ki wiro in ma pe in ruột pe gần ngu chỉ rải chỉ có chui mà chui chàn cái guộc cái ca này guộc cái lo cái chi chỉ có chui mà nè này chọn chàn này các cái quỷ mà ruột pe gần ngu quên nhục quên
Ento history paukol book ma pademe Katolika Jose Pascual Cazolare ochoyo nyurne uno berudogang mogo mau karata ento ladira wera ayogorgi ikine kamwaka libachel kimia bor ki pierngwen ka ochago ni Nicole matien lokeni jo pakot en ladid mano beru katello kol chalo ladid gi mokwa irom merwot man owego lokma ludiro okol mogo tero mogo neo dog tek bot wan lu television pien jomo kene mwaka geti pier boro malok motime e karma mon pot pere gen wegi petwer po mabe ikit pa chole ki wajo ni ruot peglaro doka ngad mo ki wir me dok ruot mo no NPA ki or ruot mo kwa mere twero rwen wago mana yetien lok mo wego la dit mo rejo pera me kaka luporo lulim kal wajo ni ka no gipe a ki ot mo uno kono gen pegi ye ni omier ki wi me dok ruot
wan yada wachao ki ot eno mana wayne ene ot ke wakero ludiro me ot ke ene oweng piny wanyam lo kinwa wa yeyo lutino ke oweng chi karma wanyam lo ke wambogo ni jud ene ye meno oberi step ma chiel ma watimo step ma rio ma watimo ene waduo ludiro kaka me podo lulim kal
Ido no ni la tindia ai koro diga kwani choke de palo de ke gamo nyuru do bon mono no pele ke le mono ni twang ke le mono no ke bug do cho mo le ya eni do wano ke do rutu ujo okol uchwa ko do no wano ye keri ada mo ke la ke koro do rutu Carbono lo quiero, lo puedo enviar a Mercum, a Colón Doca Berugi, Caraman que cague, que como que no vino doña Col, do Col, Caraman vino doña Col, do Col, ahí ni uva con Beri, bueno, quiere, esto cuando
Joman me ruot kalam geno choy warga bot la wirode me chole de virunana chana me areo pelok me gengo wiro ogik ento ruora chano me otam bot ruorugik me dok bot ludiro we tam mau pokene ge yop we wi mere utum mapot e warga pachana eno leguni wiru ruoro miero kel kuch kiripe ikeme okol Pemwaga mapol jo kol beru kia poga e kienge ma jo matie tum kit gum geno beru ka poromoni kom lu wot ge matie loga marupe e Lamo district pien gi wajo ni lu chui wibie mogo o beru ka tich nke beru pere parwot machung pe okol me pogo kindano wek gen ginong chwak e kit me wibie ento kombedi kwet ma wan lu television o temo nyuru ni lu chui mogo tie ka peyo luak me ero lok me wiro ruoru gik weng mirgi me wibie umeda nyim pien gen getie kilwor ni bieno parwot obikelo ripe ikin luak me okol matie marupe ki mochwene kaki wiro gik mandong bimeru welke matie yachole Doko Pierre Beach Wiaboro Peloga ngea mauchwenyi wanluo television eke kwa rukoli Kitgum District and Christopher Nyero e Kitgum District
Itute me duoko piny pero me tuo pacham mano tuo ki por mano fut pia kar me choko na ki por romo gilego lu fu me chako golo bumu ma don e por me guoko pi weke kony ko lu fu kar me or mano ping ti mo tuo dokot petika chui ma polim la dere kompo bene go wani mono yupo poro chon kone me chopo pero man malaga la me ping benga chiker chami poro chon weko bene kot chui mo romo ka ben kar me tuo pa ping bione no olo do cham ti mo chek maro ma kwanye poro taman ki mi bolu fu magiti Gulu district lu fu muken magiti ko malmelo Uganda me ko or kon karme or matika bino ene pieni karman Paul chamno ti kwana ki por Dr. Fuma Paul dia ko char de mo kar ko ngom la chen idika ko pieno pingte mo to cham tika to poro mana fut bo yotegi maromo akwanya nim na chwet pa mewa Ismail Jacob Jones Kelly report matut e yok me lo ngemo joi
Lufumu kene me Gulu district gula ko nena me gimenyayo kode ma chonni ma pol kara laga pin pe yero tutan dul palfua chen makingen derwa makom kan gitika nyayo kode kage pokom kilufu ibut kabir ma pat me lo Uganda dul man kom kan man gitika nyayo kode ma chalom kode nyogim ful nachi la polom kabim malakwang guana la pena sunflower kiutigo iken mokene Charles Okelo Owing, anti la local director Mederwa Seed Banks, Mathieu Imede Paris, Balaro Sub-County Gulu District.
Piani ite kwara chuli yang chon, a chuli mayanga chon, pero konyo la dak. Kena ki luono konyo la dak ba? Ich I dak I gangmone manyen, ino tie, ene no put chamma put twer konyo pio yor piani ri poro pikar malaj ini ya ki kwene kere binu welu e binu ke jole ko konyo la dak konyi in la dak mone ento poro gene kori pamono en mekar ka kot duong wang magwano top ka chieng ti matek wang magwano top manyuti nongo no jomu kelo kori e one meru kelo chan ching dano
entom kere pinni yup man pem Alfred Komaked mati senior agriculture officer me Gulu district chiki luor mati trani kodi mukene per ramuti mabe pianem kich manyayo kodi ramu pia iatura I kodi maraj katero I kodi mabe dak meno bale waka adugi me kodi manem
chwe kor molo wen olo foro oton ka mukene ma pi donyo kere ngom kaini wa poro ni pi bere ka molo por ne talo ya gikene chingren manaka kan no por ndo chinyo jo ma gitika foro fu ma gi foro je me medu adera ngene ke kan wa minu benetam no chak foro nyigian mo lore kin poru le bollo ro mo foro avocado kere kin poru con beligamento ka te kitam ni wa foro mwani wa piru yen je me gini wen konye me gwako lo ma rubu wa wego ileme fu wa ngi yugo environment me fu
Win otena menam dul man gitige mere me gwak kodi man ma chonni mag a ki vot ka bir ma pat pan me lo Uganda
aneno kodi terra matuta dada kia beru ka poro kare ma kodi terra binu okere kidong kodi ni futie chanoni pola kodi terra ma ke kelo ni ma ki bolo wani cheko ko yot kono kanyo cheng kono timo ngoni weng ki bolo dana bola pada kode terra polema ki kelo ki chon wali mwagali bario pole dong pe kodi ni wote to no ni mwaka ki tiga kelo kodi manyen ki wai eni doge ki yubu ki command umed romo medo dokan sino ni kodi ni tiga tumero to
Josephine Ahuma, Mathieu Farm Manager Mederwa, Otero Kid Magi Wako Keri Kodi Mamege, Ekom Karaman.
Pepe Fuma, Wafu, the Wernano, a Jimmy Mogo Pibala Kodi, Tikami, 140 with chemical. Walker, young, one on top of our only core of Pilaja foil. When Joe let the foil, a tear the core of the nail jumped along Daria like the foil again. Chemical, Macawilla, Willow, one car. Idong warubu omu chala nyogini warubu mai omu pi ki kier omu ye wa kwa mo na makwiti te ba kana kwiti ta ko mo kai na tiki bakat ayubu ga kar gi bakat mo kai na wa tiki der mo wa yu wa kar ye ki stowa ka gwa ko mano ko ma papi donye chile mo ke ampe ma ye no wa ber ka mo kar ki kar ber ka mo mo ka chil ta ka kwa chi don mi a chil in mo wa ngwen da ko o si don mo kai na dan bi wil ni ti ko mo kwa chi don mi a chil wa big wa ko dak wa ko wa per wa ma ka ni si don mi a chil el be ne tiene ali ar malo wa tot po ma kero mali wek to ko mare wa gwa irmo o we ma dinu go ko ni ema we ko to no pe ma ko.
Margaret Ayaj won kom pa dulme obet kitam farmers group magigamo kodi bot dulme derwam ot wajani meno man yo achel kiken magitika dwako keri kodi machon magi wajano ruenj wako ikar madano gitiga aki IDP kam
madano biano ka wele ma pol kin kuri eni kuri nyogi kuri guana kuri ful en ker wala la ker wa bel raj in wala mola bien ka chano kal wen piano ka chano kuri cha gi kami kuri ruenyo ci derwa ke lu kuri enu cha mi ne wen me wati ka wajane gi dangi group wen ni bien ka gam kuri ti kwene kuri ma chon manena dawa gi perni
en wajani machalo dul man kono gen gi yubu poro megi chon machalo yo achel kiken melwen ikoma laka pin matika yelo kodi kom karaman Wanlu TV ulogo bene kilu fumu kene magite group man
kodi ma wan wo purni kodi mo e kan tiere dero kan wa kero kodi shwa
yo ki gwana ma meno pa yere wa ki yen shuk da ker ka ma bo yin transport
chao kete la boli ngam man ko bedi la boli wa ti ba bejo ken mai ma der wa miwa
machalo yo achel me joko wako pero ma laka pin tika kelo ne ikom karaman lok me fui lo Uganda koma kech udon dur bod fu ni umier go tanem gi kwenyo vu idi porgi ki teng por ma bege wek ogwak pim gamente me lo Uganda kon walk ministry malolo kum fu tiga jingu twin lo fu ni umier go chak fur ko de manyen ni kon gi tiu ki der manyen me fu wek unong magoba ma fu Ismail Jacob Jones pi Wanlu Television Igulu City
Tij mayupo badege mago bero ditlo nambario ilobo Uganda man Kabalega International Airport mati Hoima District Kidong City obokelo don lo roma bo pat madanti kwene bunyai benti ching dano kate lor mocha ke kunyao milobo Uganda kapie badege man lo diro ke wani mono yupo na dong tika tumwa ko do bochaka mere koro nene ket mi lor mo ke ken wewo chak tid me jol deg mapol mangi pie kabere me kemkene maketuke area mere mono obokelo don lo mapol pedana magiti Hoima ikabere mokene marumo eni a George pa Wanlu TV Jonisani uchaka John ole makabere meti yopie badege man yubo badege Kabalega Hoima City waneni kong dolo matikong ngo mawo time ngente ngo iko matiaka yubo badege makiloni mono Kabalega International Airport.
Site is the industrial park itself. Then this side, the down one, is the social infrastructure, health facilities, education institutions, accommodation, shopping malls, recreation centers, all that a person needs in an area.
Kabalega International Airport maki yubo me konyo e kid me tiji mone ki wajuni bikelo don lobo bolu te dero ka chel ki miri me lobo Uganda e kid me binu mo Lilian Nagawa ngad matiu ki Uganda National Oil Company otero kilo chojni ka pie pa dege man o kelo tichi chinglu te der ki doro bikelo don lobo mapol ka kicharo yupo mo
but it has already benefited the local people. They have gotten jobs, they have gotten skills. We've been to these projects and they have all told you what they have done in the communities. So already the benefits are there. If you look at when you compare what Hoima was 20 years ago vis-a-vis what it is today. Like they have told you, they are sensitive equipment that can't come in using road. Imagine ferrying equipment using the ships by sea and then get them onto trucks to move all the way from Hoima, from Mombasa, bring them up to Hoima. You know, there is likely of damage to such equipment. So this airport is already supporting the ferrying of such equipment that is really delicate to be transported via road.
Amos Muriza ngad matiuki dulme SBC Uganda Limited magugero kapie padege Kabalega International Airport oteroni badege man dit doki gero irome wilobo mawaro.
We are at the runway. It is about 3.5 kilometers in length and 75 meters of width. We have more components like the turn pad this side and the turn pad the other side, the safety area this side and the safety area this side, the approach, the taking off. So the stretch is 5 kilometers in length. and then 75 meters of width. That is the apron. From there up to the other structure. The other building is for the emergency response team. There would be 4 water bowsers stationed there, ready to respond in case of an emergency on the runway. That is the terminal building. This side will handle passengers, this side will handle cargo. And the land side starts right from behind the terminal building. The private parking is there, and the access road to the airport will come from that direction and enter the terminal area through that corner.
Kadong Gloria Sebikari, Manager Corporate Affairs, ite dulme Petroleum Authority of Uganda. Manpower wajoni kapie padege man ukelu teach iching lukien gang mapole ubero annually melobo man.
For now we are earning tax and non-tax revenues because we've not yet started producing or selling crude oil. So the tax and non-tax revenues that come in like fees, bonuses, pay as you earn, income tax from the different companies and contractors are collected in the petroleum fund, and this is what has been used to fund this facility. Besides that, we all know that for this facility, in line with international standards, for this facility to have been constructed here, there are certain requirements at international level, and one of them is to have an international airport close by, and we have the Hoima, the Kabalega International Airport that's under construction, that's close to 95% complete. So there are synergies among the oil and gas sector and the other infrastructure that's developing. Besides that, this facility has employed over 3,000 people at peak. Now they are towards the tail end, but at the peak of construction, it employed 3,000 people. A big percentage are Ugandans.
Kibiro ni chakuloro mo obichake emwaka mabino do kao chake kibiti kiba dege man mekelo jame mamite mebiyo mo kiwele mabino kalimo penchi nyayo lim iching miri ka chel kilo tedero Piwan Luo TV Jonisani Ochara Chon I Oima.
Fauch Madiet bot Johnny Sani Ucharachon Pikele Walokmeno Oima City. Kawadire wachira ya Arua City Mati West Nile President Joel Museveni otiro cha warga magolo rok cha animon kachak chulo wakadana makono balu teme kumkibenguru wenchomegi ikarmel wen padul adui elareman pa Joseph Konyi ikomalo melobo Uganda. Ladit President Joel Museveni cha warga bot gankal melim kidong office of Prime Minister kidong man gankal mekwa kobebero kachili office pa Attorney General konmiro chul pedana magi malupe kormo aki MP palwak maya Ayivo East Division ayocho alobot President Joel Museveni ikarmo charka bito kuine chok West Nile kuno. President weni mono chul mano menke chulwe ex gracia pedana mako beruti lwen matotala makenero yedano iyombachi muni o drama chako kidong ringili wengitie Ivura County Maniarua District ken kaberu mken mapon mreno yele komalmelo Uganda kimogo mati West Nile kuno. Na George Pawan Luo TV Robert Ariaka oneno warga man kebeno logo dan mapol magiti kom yugman chulo aduki palwen pa elare pedano magiti West Nile. Warga makichoyo board office pa Prime Minister gankal melim gankal mebe bero kidong office pa Attorney General kamo ken kechwal bolotela pa dul en madan maguno peroti yeni kidong MP pelak Ayivo East Geoffrey Peta kichoyo warga man kun nekar ma President Joel Museveni olimo Arua City dan mapolo karikor ni mon gamento mirnong tente mo mechulo gin dan mapero porikumgi kidong lupachi ni woke yup makilwani mono ex gracia. Arga magichoyo botlo member padulme West Nile konyu wo victims magitiyo ndu paraka ya Ayivo Division igankal gi cheng chabit MP ma Ayivo East man Geoffrey Feta owani mono warga man ene chwale engi kome bot dana ma ikin gang owek gunong lok mati.
Have delivered 2 letters, one to Ombachi massacre victims and survivors of Arua, which also takes care of Ringili Theological College massacre and Odamachako massacre victims and survivors. This letter is in line with the 1981 June 24th massacre that took place in Ombachi Mission, where 96 people were massacred and buried in a mass grave. So we have been pursuing a humble compensation from government to the victims and the survivors for such a long time. I am glad to report that after about 4 years of engaging government and engaging authorities, the HE, the president, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has directed that these people be paid an ex gratia payment.
Waragati ariyo achiel kichoyo ninde piru wa bier midumia pa maweng President Yoweri Museveni okariechi ye wani mon karbini mon pobero okor pagamente mechulo dan mapeo porgo mikongi karme lweny leman gero miene woki yup me ex gratia. Eno wani mon leman beno mier kinene jangamente magiti jikomle mier guti matek ye weke kati wako ka okondano magiti pego. Waraga Maria maben kichoyo ninde piru wa bier medumia pa magani eni President Yoweri Museveni okariechi ye kon miyo rukta bot gankal pagamente magiti ker mechulo dano umier guchul dano pineklo mugo maotime yombachi ringili odrama chako kidong muni wengiti I area me ewata man Arua. Sam ondoma matingat mangeyo chiek matika chung man la pilda pa joma per ma lweny pa konyo kele komgin owani mon nyingjo eni wengdong tia tera dok office maneno lokom matit pa dul mon man CMI moko wodak men chadenti ma moga tino mergunon kony ket ma President Yoweri Museveni ogolo kwe rokta mamegeni.
The President of the Republic of Uganda for finally giving a directive that the Kony War victims on West Nile, those from West Nile, be compensated and given their ex gratia payments. I also want in a special way to thank Honorable Feta for the job well done, because he wrote 3 letters over this same matter. He has been following this matter in State House, in all forums where the President
Ondo madole gan maoripe omiero betie kabeno chiego ni mon jomageti nying moken mapate omiero pego teme balo yup mechulo dano mako woke lweny padwi LRM. Chulman kacheo tiyo nyoke chako tijia upokoyo ndana magiti Arua kiluongi ni West Nile kony war victims kimoken magiti moyo ajumani kio bongi mabene wengi tika chel wek dano wengu nong chul marom pia duki melwen padul adwi LRA mahobalo kwa padano I West Nile. Pelo rangai mochwinyi Ewanluo Television Robert Ariaka ki Arua City. Udbene ayeki Arua City kunu loroj makuno tiki luora matek pio dur mapol magitika dongo neki report me tim ger manyoa yomi buro kidong tim ger maken matiti me komon kuno teaching dana magiting wetu bora bora doko romantika meda meraman bora koko mokati I report makitimo pilobo Uganda olum report nyokwet madul ma UNFPA otimo imwaka luka pawe ya biro wani mono koko mokati tiko mnu wetu bora bora mapol pitim gero kidong tim manyoa yomi buri komon Nyira mobile 3% PR wan miario kul makoko tini mon gengiti wono dan jomo kengi gudana yombo pore weng time chinglo ngwej bora bora karibet koman kok mama pol belti West Nile kamala church pa Wanlu TV John Polo Pio oloke mon kanyira makiti Arua City manyang rompera manikin gang koti mapol mon kanyira gumoko chaden ikom makati nyono timanywa iching longwej bora bora.
Ywa kutiewe ring boda mi Arua City ma yigbe yanyu kane nyotu wijuma nyir matengi nep man mon padhanum ywa kenu tie kane nyotu berbedo migi eyotaro Harriet mega chelu gonyu wakite maepodhi peko pajaring boda mok umitu kane nyotu wiye.
You must not keep quiet. I have ever been approached by someone like that. I was on my way to Ochiba and there's that part which is really very dark and this guy had to stop in the middle of that forest. I was very scared, you know, but I had to share it with a friend. Whenever I'm moving, I have to inform someone that I'm going to such and such a place. So if I delay, at least I have backup.
Aikoro Frida Matiu kujumi Palma Memorial wachenia ya ende de bende boda mokuyenyu kane nyotu ye malembeja okiere makwe.
As I was heading home, I managed to board a boda whom I didn't know. But on my way back, we reached somewhere. This guy When I had reached, he had started asking me questions about my whereabouts, where I work. So I asked him, is it necessary to really ask all about this? Then there I kept quiet. Reaching somewhere at the point where I was supposed to stop, then I told him, okay, this is where I'm boarding off. Now, this guy decided to say, can you give me your number? Otherwise, you look so beautiful. I said, no, but I'm a married woman. I can't just do that. He said, no. This guy marked me and started following me on the way.
Ni kumlembe eni telapa boda boda Mia Ivu East Division wachanda ginwangu lembe eni kwenda muo kidubadriko Anthony mutieja wigi mewacho anda boda boda eni nyotu wimon padano koda jumanyir matengine.
Maybe conning these young customers, most especially girls. We registered some cases, most especially in my stage. And people will come with a complaint that my daughter is pregnant for so, and if you try to do research about this guy, you will find that he's a boda rider in our stage and also other different stages. We've received the cases, similar cases, not only like impregnating girls, but again the places where they take these girls to. Not only girls, even the married women, some of them they engage in the transportation, and again in the course of the transportation you find out that this rider, a boda like me, will start calling this woman, even knowing that she is married, requesting for the number, the contact details, and the other identifications from this customer, instead of requesting for the money. And this is what the rider is doing for the customer.
Janen Willem Dongongom, Mitedero, Arua City, Judith Draten, Wachuginwango Yuak Makameni Makwe, Man Gitie Kuyik, Mirombo Kutelapa, or Ring Boda Gi.
Yes, we have had a number of cases, just like Anthony said, of boda boys who carry girls and begin luring them into having sex with them, and of course this is not good. We have also seen situations where even nursery children are being lured into having sex with these boda boys that ride them. So we are going to get into a closer partnership with the leadership of the boda industry and see to it that we get them sensitized on how they should behave with their clients, especially when a parent has entrusted their child into their care. That is
Isawale me majuo kureo lifario kula parabiro majuo miyu NFPA man katish pajadi pumi Uganda guo kuregin unyuti ya niaya pierabungu enu ya rio widak pajumamon yenyu kani podhu enikeshinga boda magi yenyu kani nyotu wigi Makwei P1 Luo TV Opio John Pauli Arua City.
Elorangea makati kama pat kilobo Uganda gamente manyen ma katika Guinea Bissau do charotich kama gengo baye gamente pa president machon man Omaro Sissoco Embalo ma kongwia ti oriyo chedesen gade karman oriyo tika biriko ikam iman iboma dit me Congo man i Brazzaville lomonye ilo makiloko le Portuguese kano kati chia deka kotorwa gamente nina chele ken nyimbolo kuyamen ke bol kuyimane ne la chumu kene kiyero dokono ben kinjuma Mati chungayeti President N Omar Sissoco Embalo madekar man orienti beru i Congo man i Brazzaville la tela manyen matiko mikaraman General Hotan Tam owane monumensa magetiko mergo chaklony matako mchamjana kidong bene tikigere machik paye makedoni kwa lobo kono piane de karaman gamento loka megachakel je manyen agenero kin mekelo la kikimi gamente iching tela mokene manyen e lobo Guinea Bissau watiki report man pe intini yubmelorange margin. Ingechako gamente manyeni chia bichele dul mongo karodano pirwa boro igelo diero mony abik kidong mona ngwen mekonyo doro potoro ilokom yere machek paye matimo pol ikaberu mogo Guinea Bissau. Kiboma madit man Bissau mati palo mati kuporo cheng me Afrika ni opotoro timaliet kambene pati mpechwa gamete madite loyo owane kimonyo gin doklo mon tima pola tagi tikuno ekare mabene tele oberuti kinbulo kia bili magiti teng town. Mirengo iko matie kumtorgamente Guinea Bissau ne fut pia gitero ento biak tieni mono jomo kene gotimo potorman labongo nongo kono gum nyola kibote mbalo. Biak mapol beneti kamede mere kare madul mon guti wakati kinying General Hotan Tam nena yotel gamente kun neno tini choka tek tolgi President man machon melo mameki en Umaru igamente me loga ma kichako lok yewe mwaka maukati. Ingetugo potoro maokelo wo matek kikuru igamente mati Guinea Bissau meti kono miriki kongomote meche adek ntam owani mon gamente manyen magichaka chambicheli obulwene matek kumchamchana kidong ngeti kiyere machek paye kilwete kereme donyo kikarwo kilo Guinea Bissau. Jombe gamente kilo diere mokene ko wani mono embalo ma uchako beri gamente medone chake mwa alebre piarioni tiengara tiel tutual ma okelo taya motorga mokelo torgamente meno mebalo yub mebolo kui mamirno bet ichi angwen mechabet ma okarne. Inge make pe wang chawa manoke chande kembalo orinyo ka ochier lobo Senegal idege magamente me Senegal yochwalo kunu megwako kwa mameke. Itiabe chel malupa kilong mokati bot gamente me lobo Congo embalo pie kidege boma dit me Republic me Congo man en Brazzaville kabero maulimo tien mapol kar maono futi loch ki mana fut pa yao chako bero President me lobo Guinea Bissau. Pe wanluo television yup me loga nge mochiny ania Sunday yakamo. Ilakom biashara chelwe yo achil me joko matek rome onyo kui kijim ken maperwate mo magiti kwere pir kidong moro kailobo Uganda gankal me kero ma kidong don lonyo mengom gachel ki Uganda National Bureau of Standards man UNBS gucha otima kwet kipimbe ni kom kaber mapol makikpiro ye mo makemiyo bodan madano wilo ilobo Uganda lui kaber mo ken atirane mati West Nile genwe atit radio kidong jemo ken me fonyo dane kom yup makiluni mon fuel and quality monitoring program mamiyo ko ngiro mo ikiet kwiri dong leng pa mo makachare chuke kabero pe komo duju matilo bu Uganda kan geno wani mono yop mano kan matek medwa ko rome onyo jimo ken mapati mo madan charlo bu Uganda kanyi odok 20% maben pekara chel madong ketimo te maraj market mani Robert Adiga keli reporti kom lorangia biachara ki Arua City man i West Nile. Reverend Gustav Frank Matingat maneno lokum kelo mo ilobo Uganda manmo Petro kiloni Petroleum Supply Department owani mono nenge madite lokum weko mo maberuti lo Uganda timo mapire tek doktima leng kabeneti ke keriti
is really to try and inform one or two people about the way the industry is regulated, because whereas the Penal Code provides that the ignorance is no defense, it does no harm still trying to let somebody be aware of how they think. So it is out of the responsibility, we feel it is important that we get to the people to understand, so that when enforcement is being done, somebody doesn't think that probably I'm being targeted or the government is not sensitive, but at least somebody would have been aware of what are the requirements and how to move on.
Idungchel Daniel na galama matila konkola dit malo dulme UNBS owani mono West Nile taken jema pikitika area mapol karge poro wakapimo mo piene dan mapol ge bino ge mo mameki manokrubo ye wako man mo Petro matia tai kingang.
The areas which are regulated by us, and one member I think mentioned it, there's a quality chain, how we control quality of petrol. We stop at the regulated area, that's the filling stations. But now the petrol that is being consumed on the streets, on the jerrycans and bottles, I think it has posed a problem, and I think that's the major challenge. On our part, as UNBS, number one, we shall do what is in our strategic plan, the whole government approach.
Karibet ni mono kokera maketne kom dul machoko mchoro man Uganda Revenue Authority mapol kare gin wani mon ludire makidor kapiko mona yekogoti kom gin piratek ni mono kache mo makit mano bino omiero kongi pim rome kenyang ne timo pore wek dano oti kwere lobo Uganda. Josephine Oyegi Utedi matingat maloyo West Nile man PURA owani mon pol kadama gitikwere nok dok bene kaboda matituolo tima podo twal e wang lobo Uganda kidong lobo mokene mauteno en Uganda.
5 staff deployed across the region stretching from Moyo to Pakwati, and we try to control these border points. However, allow me to report to this House of very important people that URA cannot do this alone. Many times we informally interact with these smugglers and the people who dump, especially fear. And the information we get from them is that they don't act on their own. They have backings from us as community leaders. Those fuel we see on the streets come from our petrol stations, from the filling stations. They are not stored originally in jerrycans or bottles.
Robert Anguzungat Matie Kiluni Physical Planner Mia Rua District Local Government wani mono pero tima poli mon kachadana polo wuchie kilo kum tikimo manutima beni romo kilo pero mapoli kum dano kibene romo kilo pero mapora tura la bole match kidong pero mukene. Richard Andavala teach nyola wang dul me fal oilia rua o wani mono joma mior kudo teach man menene peker mo petrol matia tatai di gwinyo ken kamadano monongani o mior pegi ket kone kom dana tapian jo enoni pekitika timo teach mo pore. Amir Ayiko Matila dit maloyo Asil Oil Matia Rua City owane mono chake kar matuo COVID-19 port kwere kaben mapia komo mapol gitiko ono kia char mapol lokom nongo mo malenge pien pol kare dano gibin kagi onyo mo kene machilo mabalo wa biashara. Iyub mefonyi mano kelo joma gineno lokom mo makicharo mengweki pia kidong mor katitwale mo petrol ikapiko mo mapol mati West Nile District mea Jumani Rua Koboko Maracha Moyo Nebi Pakwati Yumbe Kachel Kizombo District. Pewan Luo TV ilokangia biashara Robert Adiga. Egom turo PM fufa bigli koberti chabit mapa ne otu miching chabit man la woni nda pierdek medima pawi ya jel to koberti mapo likene Blacks Power FC gogoyo woko chinda Boys FC gola dere komachel ituro mokeno ndu paraka gogoyo Nebi Central adeke komachel paita Black Angels gogoyo bene to Roman Club makeloni mono bunyaro Guru United FC golo ario komachel kadong Young Elephants go makacheli komachel ki Bright Stars Solitico oneno report man matut kibo David Magere kililo komturo ituro mauti meko malamelo Uganda itum chapet maukaro eni.
Turu beru magwa tutwal itum chabit mapa ipiem gwe dilumena Mario Madrid lo pachoelo Uganda man fufa big league man kono beru chabit mapa ipiem turu man mu yape waro itum magaman ikin turu mukene mu beru tie kono itum chabit man koni ba turu mapa parmoti meki lo Uganda tutwale atira teams ma aki ko malume Uganda noni Blacks Power Football Club ken guchanchinda Boys golo ader kumachel turu moti meki Ebenezer University Playground Matilira City ki Arua City kono i Green Light Stadium undu Paraka Football Club gen benegu chanyo Navy Central gola deri komachel i dabi man turu me West Nile moberulia tutwal ki ba pa undu Paraka turu berutie benekin paida Black Angels kachel ki Bunyaraguru United Football Club kama paida Black Angels ki gangi i ba Okoro Stadium mati paida Town Council gen go chanyo Bunyaraguru United golo ari komachel katuru oberikin Young Elephants Academy kama gen go tuela get wako ki Bright Stars Solitico golo acheli komachel ikin tugo mokene kono mabeno berutie itum chabit man kono inoni Iganga United yen go chanyo Kigezi Homeboys golo achiel komachiel kaka Taka Football Club guchanyo matek tutwal Wakiso Giants gola 4 komachiel Katda Football Club golo chwi kon go goyo Karo Karunji gola 3 komario mene kono tugo motime ichia bij meninde piari wi abungwen dong tiego tugo man kono wego wi mecha ifufa big league kono chunkit man inamba chiel ti Black Spur Football Club ngi tugo pa wi achiel yen golo tugo bichiel gi marke wa tugo ngwen yen golo nyi tugo achiel gi tigi points piari wa rio inamba rio chichi Gezi Homeboys ngi tugo pa wi achiel ben golo tugo dek yen go drawing tugo biero gi go gi tiana achiel gi tigi points pa wi achiel inamba dek ti Taka Football Club ngi tugo pa gen golo tugo beach yen go drawing tugo achiel gi go gi tiana ngwen kolo tigi points pa wi achiel bene ka inamba ngwen ti Iganga United Football Club ngi tugo pa wi rio wel tugo madong duong loyo yen gulo tuwa beach gudroing tuwa cheli go gitiana bicheli tiki points apawe bichel bene na bichi Bright Stars Solitico gutu tuwa pa gulo adek gudroing tuwa bicheli go gitiana cheli tiki points apawe beach na bicheli ti Wakiso Giants ken gutu tuwa pa bene gulo angwen gudroing tuwa dek go gitiana dek bene tiki points apawe beach ina mabero ti Katda Football Club me Kampala City ngetu tuwa bungwen gen gulo tuwa dek gudroing tuwa bicheli pia go gitu moke ken tiki points apawe beach bene kena botin Tugazaze Football Club ngetugo pa gen gitigi points apawi angwen inabu ngwenti Navy Central Football Club ngetugo apawi ario gitigi points apawi angwen inamba pa ti Paida Black Angels ngetugo abungwen gitigi points apawi ario ina pawi Chelsea Bunyaraguru United Football Club gutugo abungwen gitigi points apawi ario bene kena apawi ario ti Young Elephants Academy ngetugo pa gen gitigi points apawi ario bene relegation zone kono ina apawi adek ti Undu Paraka Football Club gutugo abungwen yen golo tuga dek udroing tuga rio gi go gitian ngwen kolo gitige points apawi achiel ina apawi ngwen ti Karo Karunji Football Club ngetugo tuga pa gen golo tuga rio keken gudroing tuga dek gi go gitian big kolo gitige points abungwen kana apawi ngwen ti Chiyinda Boys gen gutugo tuga pa bene golo tuga rio bene gen gudroing tugo adek ben gi go gitiana bij ben gitigi points abungwen bene kana magiki ayeti Mbale Heroes ngetugo tuga pa bene gen golo tuga rio keken gudroing tiana chel gi go gitiana bier kolo gitigi points abiero kongdo manen tugo matika bino isabet ma pa wi achiel maboteme inendwa biero medwe ma pa wi ario tugo matie ye Bright Stars Bumago Paida Black Angels gang mamegi Kabunyaraguru United notika jolo Black Spur Football Club Karo Karunji notika jolo Iganga United Kachigezi Homeboys notika jolo Undu Paraka Football Club Kiyinda Boys notika jolo Mbale Heroes Navy Central Football Club notika jolo Young Elephants Academy Kadong Tugazaze Football Club notika maheki Kataka Football Club Wakiso Giants notika maheki Katda Football Club mene ikintur matika bino ichabit ma pa wi achiel lorange kom tore wan Luo TV David Magere
Mapat kimeno itugo pul mo yueke lobo Uganda man siza chandiga oloyo pimo kene madit mo time lobo Zambia en oloyo mota pawi achiel ikom abichiel palawore makiluni mono ginte itugo mo time kiluni mono race to 11 to mano choro to mapol makwin maga kilo South Africa Zambia idong ituok Africa mokene igano beno chalo to mapat kesiza chandiga obedo Henry Mukisa magengo charka chumpe lobo Uganda itugo race to 11 mauti me Zambia tum jabiteni
Siza chandiga uloyo turupul ilo Zambia enu goyla turumadit me Zambia jinte ipiem me loyo turaparachel ma enu loyo turaparachel kinte me Zambia uloyo turabichel keken Uganda kono uchwalu turadek Siza chandiga abat Mukisa matemwa hapawi ya dek keken Kidog City ituruman Jerry maaki lobo South Africa ugoyo abar Mukisa makchia bungwen ikoma bero ipiem mineno ngarbuko o ya bungwen turumano beri turumario ne magiluni Second Life en ye Jerry ugoye abar Mukisa milobo Uganda turuman uchokolo turumapol mamukene aaki i South Africa Zambia ke tuak Africa howeng Siza chandiga ngene kirwam meturo i ultimate pool maturo kilo turo madan chalo Chris Melling maaki United Kingdom en chung pe Uganda able matime pol kar mwaka ilobo China. An Anthony Papera pe Wanduo TV.
Report pa Anthony Papera kelwatini ya geke yup melorange mo chuin kanki Wanduo television. Ani hasande akumu metekene na waikari duju.